Hello, happy Saturday. Hope everyone had a wonderful Saturday. I know I had a beautiful Saturday today. And I just want to come on and share some vital information with you regarding your health and hair loss. Before I get started, let me share with you who I am. My name is Candace Gibson. I am a certified hair loss practitioner and I am a licensed cosmetologist. I have been a licensed cosmetologist for over 20 years. I specialize in holistic hair loss services for men and women. So, this evening I just want to share 5 health conditions that can cause hair loss. The first one is menopause. The second one is diabetes. The third health condition is stress. The fourth health condition is anemia. And the last health condition is thyroid. And with thyroid, you have two components. You have hyper and you have hypo. Okay? I will not go into full specific details regarding why those health conditions cause hair loss. However, I would like to offer you a 15-minute consultation over the telephone so that we can identify why you are losing your hair, okay? And how we can help you regrow your hair as well as rebuild your self confidence, ladies and gents. Because I know that when someone starts to lose their hair, they start to lose their confidence in themselves. And we don't want that. So I want to be able to help you through your journey. You can always reach out to me at follicleshairrestoration.org, or you can send me a direct message through Instagram or YouTube or Facebook and schedule your 15-minute free discovery session so that we can help you with your hair loss, okay? So, don't forget, ladies, 15 minutes can help you regrow your hair and help you rebuild your self confidence. I hope that was helpful. Please don't be shy. You can share the video. Please subscribe to my page. Please contact me if you're experiencing hair loss. We want to help you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a good evening.